Good afternoon, everyone. It is December the 18th, Wednesday, here at KIT Iizuka. This is English 5C, and I am trying to get my computer to talk to this computer. Come on, let's go. Okay, good. Okay, I was just about to stop that recording. Okay, everybody, shh. Today is the 18th, and I wanted to show you something very important. Right here, this is the 18th already. But if you look at the remaining class schedule, we have today, next week, which is the on-demand class. So I can't really count that. But basically, the 18th, the on-demand class, the 8th, which is the first day we come back in January, and then the 15th, and then the 22nd until our next test. Well, basically, if you take away the on-demand class, including today, okay, we have only one, two, three classes left until you have your next conversation test. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry. No, it's true. Yeah, one, two, three classes left until your next conversation class. So what I want to do today and the next few days coming back on the 8th is to make sure that you guys have as much opportunity as possible to be able to practice your speaking. So we'll be doing some Quizlet today. Let's see. Today we'll be doing some Quizlet. And then after we do that, today we'll be doing shadowing. Then after do that, I want to make sure that you do a quick survey that I have for myself, not the one for the school, but this one here. This is just a survey for myself, and it has two very simple questions. You can answer them in Japanese. You don't have to think about it very hard in English. And I want to point out that your TOEIC certificate, which you will be taking, I think sometime, was it this Saturday? I forget. Anyway, you'll be, oh no, so let's see here. I don't remember exactly when you have to take your TOEIC test, but you have to submit your TOEIC certificate to me, or else I won't be able to give you up to 25% of this class. Talk a bit more about that later. You have your normal reflection exercise, and this one is about gestures. I know the gestures are not as important, I think, in Japanese as they are in English, but they are very important in English, and they're also a little bit important in Japanese. But how to do those gestures, how to practice them if you're not used to being able to do gestures, especially if you're speaking in public, if you're doing a presentation, if you're doing a speech, this will be very, very handy for you. Okay, you have your homework as well too for number 6. And after that, I just want to remind you that next week, okay, the 25th is an on-demand class. Now, the on-demand class basically is very similar in terms of the things that you have to do. You have your homework answers that you can download, and again, a homework submission that you do out of the textbook, write it on a piece of paper, take a photograph, send it to Moodle. That's your homework, okay? But because we're not going to be having a class in the classroom, what we did last week with the liaisons, okay, I want you to do by yourself. This assignment is due on the same day. It's due on December 25th. Now, you can actually do it before that, which is fine, but because this is a replacement for what you're doing in class, this is the assignment that I want you to do. So basically, I want you to download this worksheet, okay? This worksheet will open up like this. These are the two phrases from the MP3 tracks that I have going here. So over here, this one.
Other people have them already.
Oh, sorry, it's playing in
I'm not going
my
to
headphones.
sacrifice
Anyway,
my...
these tracks, they will play in your headphones. Download this, or if you want to, you can write it out on a piece of paper. And then what we did last week, I want you to do for this. Take a picture of this, send it up to this Moodle assignment. Okay. Now, if you have any questions about that, you can ask me after I'm finished this English explanation, because I'll be giving you the Japanese explanation after that. Basically, what we did last week, I want you to do here, and then you have a reading quiz, okay, on more material from GF365, and a reflection once again, as we do every week. This time it's not a video, it's a simple question. What do you think is good about English education, English language education in Japan? Okay, what do you think is bad about it? So you have a few more assignments than normal next week, but you don't have to come to the classroom. So especially to the liaisons assignment. This is what will replace your time in class. So you have plenty of time during the class time to do it. But to remember, it's due the same day. Okay. Otherwise, I don't see you again until January 8th. Please have a happy holiday. Make sure that you do all of your assignments. Check your assignments that you haven't done. If you have any questions, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next year.